this is Candy Shaw with Tips and Tricks Tuesday, but today we are in Greenville, South Carolina, and I have a little tip and trick for you, and that is how to have the perfect framing for hair when you want that beautiful wave and keeping the girth at the bottom. Far too often we have been taught that we actually round hair around when we're framing, and then we end up cutting the corner out. And when we cut the corner out, when this hair comes back, we have no girth at the bottom. So therefore we're putting in fillers and extensions and things like that to fill that up. As a French hair cutter, a really great way that I can teach you to frame the face is every woman has a natural V on the face like this. And if you're following that natural V when you're cutting her framing, you'll win every single time. Why? Because you're making that haircut fit her exactly. So what I'll do is I use my finger as a clip instead of as a ruler. Normally, you're used to taking your finger and coming around and cutting within that finger or that margin of hair. Mostly when you're right-handed, you'll end up swinging in this way. And you'll end up swinging in this way, or even taking your scissor and going backwards. So I have found a really great tip to help you to maximize cutting just the ridge of the hair and minimize cutting a hole in the hair. So my finger is the clip. I take my section, I hold it down just to secure and to get good tension on the hair. I know my V on the face lives there. I'm going to open my shear up. I'm going to actually use my shear to draw on the face and come straight down. The entire time, my finger is just holding the hair. It's not over directing forward, and I'm not cutting my scissor back. By doing so, I'm able to draw a straight line at the bottom, protecting the corner at the basic outline. Now, mostly we tend to want to go this way next. But my advice to you is I'm just going to take 3 steps to the other side. I'm going to do the same procedure by holding with my clip. I'm going to open my scissor right there on that V at the face. I'm going to take my blade and slightly come down, holding the hair with my clip instead of cutting the hair with my ruler. What this does is it ensures that you leave that outside edge so that you can create those east to west haircuts that your guests are looking for. This will also ensure that you don't remove or cut back into the hair, creating more of a bang. It's the perfect framing every time by using that V. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Candy Shaw.